Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have IF4 minus. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V represent valency, iodine valency is 7 and fluorine atoms are 4. So the steric number will be H equals 7 plus 4, charge is minus 1. So 12 by 2 gives 6. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 6 minus 4 gives 2. H6 means sp3d2 hybridization. So octahedral structure. Since you have two lone pair, where the lone pair will be, lone pair repulsion is high, so always will be on higher angle, so it will be far away. When compared to atom, electrons are not visible, so the real structure will be square planar. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.